I'm back. So, you guys, it's me in the flesh. Yes, I know I've been taking some time off, but today's video we're going to be unboxing the February Boxy Charm box. So, I don't know why I just started talking in a British accent. Maybe Bridgerton's gotten to me, you know. I really like the Duke though, the Duke of Hastings. He ain't get any day. But we're going to be doing the Boxy Charm reveal box and see what I got in this month's Boxy Charm. I literally just redid my subscription with Boxy Charm, and I'm really excited because instead of going to Sephora or Ulta and getting full-size products and spending like a couple $100, for $26 you can get, I think it's like the equivalent of like $300 or so just for subscribing to Boxy Charm. So I highly recommend subscribing to Boxy Charm. So if you would like to see what is in my Boxy Charm box, then just keep on watching. I need to stop touching it so hard. Alright, let's get into my Boxy Charm. I have not opened it. This is like the first time I am opening it on camera. Alright, so first is the postcard type thing. And it does tell me everything that I get and the prices. So we are going to be going in order of it and showing you guys what it is. So this is the Ace Beaut Nostalgia palette. It's really pretty. Like, look at that. And let's open her up. I usually like to keep the boxes of the eyeshadow palettes, like the Lisa Frank. I have the Nikita Dragon one. I got her brushes too. I spoiled myself for Valentine's Day. Try not to damage this box. Oh, already ripped it. Well, there's that. Let's see. Put it on the side. This is what she looks like. I hope. Yes, it is. It's the bright one that I wanted. Usually Boxy Charm shows you what your options would be if you got one. That light is like, I don't want to bend it, but look at these beautiful colors. Like, let's just watch a couple. Let's watch this color. It's called Stargazing. Ooh. And then let's try this color, Raspberry. And we'll just... Oh, they're so buttery. Let's try Flip Flops. They're literally like so buttery. I know it's like an awkward swatch, but I might have to do a look on with this palette. I think it'd be really cool. So I am going to do a look with this palette soon. And this retails for $38.99. What is this? This one is the Queen. Back to our scheduled program. I had to go deal with my son, but I don't see this like on the paper. So I wonder if this was like a free gift or it's mixed printed. But look at this packaging. Like, oh my gosh. It says a 20 pigment palette in 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. So let's open her up. I don't want to ruin the packaging because I really like this so much. Oh, I put the boxes over here. Put the palettes right here. Just trying to like get everything. So here's what she looks like. We are going to open her, remove this plastic, and this is what she looks like. I like how I've been getting like bright palettes now, which is good because I want to try and work on more color. But look, now I have 2 bright palettes, so maybe mixing both of them, I could do something with them, you know? So let's do some swatches. We'll do the color Rainy. This one right here, this like yellow shade. I don't even have any space. Oh, look. Oh, sorry. That is really pretty. Now we're going to go in with Your Highness, which is this like coppery shade. I hate that I do them so awkwardly. And let's go in with Throne. Let's see what it's like. Let's try going in it again. There we go. More pigment, but not that bad. And I like the mirror size. It's pretty good. So we will be going in with this too. I wish I knew how much that was, because I do not see it on here at all. But let's remove these. And this is the Glamtier, Glamier Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush collection. If I can get it out of the plastic. This is like a plasticky feel, like the vintage vibes. Let's take a look at the brushes. We do get 1, 2, 3, 4 brushes. Oh, how cool. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted these brushes. I see these all over TikTok. Look. That's so cool. I've always wanted these, and they feel good too. Let's see this one. That's so cool. So we have I'm assuming this is like a shader brush, which you could do like under your eye. Then you got like a fluffy shading brush. This is a angled brush for like eyeliner, or if you want to like use shadow. And then a fluffy blending brush. These are really cool. Like, I love these. And these retail for, if I don't drop it. These retail for $29. Alright, before my video cut off, like I said, these brushes retail for $29.95. I mean, it's okay, but like for 4 brushes that are like basically small, I don't think it's a good price for these brushes. And you get this little cute thingy, but I don't think it's worth it. I'm just gonna put these up in my collection. Next, we have this Wonder Beauty. It is a double date lip and cheek. That's it. Just a lip and cheek. Like how I just rambled on about that. I don't even know. For this, I don't care about ripping the box. So, what I gotta do, right? I wish I freaking had some scissors, but nail clippers will do just as good. Okay, so this retails for $22, and it comes like this. This is just open. Okay, I'm assuming this is lip and this is cheek, so let's try a little bit of color, if you can see that. I don't know. You can't? Oh yeah, you can. It kind of like washes out my lips. Okay, I know this is not like the best. I probably just put so much on my face. Yeah, I put so much, but I'm trying to see what it is. So yeah, looking like a clown, but it's okay. Not my thing per se. We have the NCLA Los Angeles Treatment So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. And just kind of want to shake it to get it like that. This retails for $18, and it has that little like drop applicator. Oh my gosh, there must be rose in here. because it smells like rose, so we'll just drop it on there. It smells like rose. I actually just did my nails too, so let's just apply some extra cuticle oil and rub it in. It smells so good, so good. And there it gets nice and shiny and hydrated. So this retails for $18. Looks like that.
Mommy.
So next we have the Tula Skincare, the So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. This retails for $32. We're going to open her up. Comes in like this nice sleek packaging. Let's open her up. And that's what she looks like. And it's really thick. And you could feel like the, oh, I'm kind of stupid actually. I'll put it on the other side of my, no, I didn't even put it there. Yeah, it's kind of a little thick consistency. Oh, caught it between my legs. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of like an oily consistency, but you can feel like the, like beads to scrub. And it kind of has like a, like a raspberry type smell to it. That's what I smell, but I can't be totally sure. I need to go take a shower and like wash all this off. So yeah, so, knock my microphone down. So everything like on the top of my head, I'm pretty sure is like $100 or $200. I think this was like this one was a special gift just because I couldn't find it in the pages. So I'm really happy about everything. I can't wait to try everything from the box and show you guys everything. I'm just gonna like put them back in the box because I don't want them ruined, and I gotta find a whole bunch of places just for my beauty products and stuff like that. So yeah, I think this will be like a very cool thing to do. My next video will probably be using one of these palettes, so I think that'll be fun. And then I know like the March box is coming too, so just be on the lookout for that video because I will be doing like Boxy Charm box reveals that I got in my box. Everyone is different. Alright, so if you liked this Boxy Charm box with me, go ahead and like and subscribe to my page for more videos to come. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I would love for you to tag me in your Boxy Charm boxes you got. That, well, technically it's already March 1st, so last month's box, and show me what you got. If we got the same thing, cool, that's what's up. But if not, show me what products you got that I don't have so I can see what y'all got. So that is all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.